Hello everyone, this is Sulesha Abai from Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. I am a nurse for working in St. Paul Hospital Medical College. In the previous experience, I am worked at pediatric department in emergency as a nursing coordinator for 5 years, and then the Department of Pediatrics and Child Health for the nursing service head for 4 years work experience. And then I am working in St. Paul Hospital as supervision in nursing activity and any professional for medical health. I am graduated in diabetic educator in pediatrics, and I have different trainings like ETAT plus, TOT, early childhood development, health quality and governance, and so on. I will selected for this opportunity. I will do for pediatrics diabetic improvement for the worldwide and the country in Ethiopia. Thank you for this chance.